Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to create a basic PDF document inside your browser using the JSPDF library. So basically I have a simple index.html file open and I have opened this inside my Visual Studio Code. So this is a simple preview of it, and now I will be writing my HTML code here. So here you just need to write simple HTML tag here, and then it comes the head tag. So inside this you will be giving a title. Let's suppose simple PDF generation in browser using the JSPDF library, and in the body we will be having a, let's suppose, a button which will be invoking. When we click this button we need to generate the PDF, so we will execute this function. So the label will be simple generate PDF. Now if I refresh it, there will be a button will be there. If I refresh it, you will see a button which will be there. Now if I refresh it, you will see that this is a button. If I click this button, I need to create a basic PDF document. So first of all we will include the JSPDF library. For this you can just go to, let's suppose, you need to include the library. So you can just write here JSPDF CDN. If you write this, you will be redirected to this website. So here you can just copy paste the CDN, which is, this is the CDN, copy it and paste it inside your, and close the script tag. After that you need to bind a simple event click listener. So first of all, let's suppose we can just get the reference of the button. So here we can just give it ID. Let's suppose a ID of button. And here we can just declare a simple variable button document dot get element by ID. And here we just need to give it the ID name that we have given to the button. So just wait guys, my keyboard is not working. So here in single quotes you just need to write the ID name, and here we will just write the button. We will bind the event listener to it. So when we click this button, we need to have a click listener. You can see that we will pass a simple function. So here we just need to declare a new document of JSPDF. And here we just need to add some text to the PDF document. So we can just use this method and we can just add some text. Hi, this is some text. And then let's suppose we can give it some position, let's suppose X and Y coordinate. Lastly we have to save this as a PDF, so attachment. So we can just give it a name output.pdf. So this is complete. So now if I run this, if I again go back to the browser, click this button generate PDF, so a PDF file will be downloaded. You will see that if I open this file, you will see that a PDF file will be downloaded and it has got this text. Hi, this is some text. I can make this more interactive. Let's suppose if I want to dynamically pass this value, I can have an input field. Here I can just give it an ID of text. let's suppose I give it the ID of text and also a placeholder of text. Close this, and now I can extract this. So first of all, let me just declare as first of all target this by document dot get element by ID, and I pass the ID name, and then I will concatenate extract the value by dot value, and then I can pass this value inside this. Instead of serving the static text, I can pass the dynamic value text. And now what you will see that first of all it will have a simple input box. You will see that here I can just write anything. Let's suppose, hi, this is Gautam, and if I click the generate PDF, it will generate a PDF file and it will contain this text inside this, hi, this is Gautam. You will see that. And also I can make this more interactive application. I can even have, let's suppose you can see that. I think that this is enough for this video. I just told you how to generate a PDF, simple PDF document which has some text to it, and we are dynamically generating this from filling a form. So I will be making more videos about this JSPDF library. So for this video, thanks very much for watching this video.